Don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in. You have to.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tracy Natural Glee. I know I've not been consistent. I've been off and on. I wouldn't say I've not missed you guys. I really do miss you guys, and I hope someone missed me. Yeah, I've been having a strain on my shoulder lately and I've not been able to do anything. But yeah, I'm back. And before I go straight into this video, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like my posts. Don't forget to share and turn on post notification to always see my post whenever I make a post. So today's video is going to be my own remedy, my own routine of doing my deep conditioning. So I'm going straight into this without wasting your time. My hair is loosed, and yeah guys, my hair is just 10 months and is getting fuller and thicker, and also suffer a lot of shrinkage. Yeah, I think my hair can pack one now. Wow, that's interesting guys. So we're getting somewhere. So I will be showing you guys my remedy. So here is my DIY bowl. I'm making use of Jamaican black castor oil, honey, also moist conditioner, the 3-minute moist deep conditioner. In here mixed together is coconut oil and lavender oil. So I will be mixing all this in the bowl. So in the DIY bowl, I made use of the measuring spoon. I measured 1 spoon of honey. I measured 1 spoon of both the lavender and coconut oil. I made use of the medium spoon for the Jamaican castor oil, and I poured in enough quantity of the deep moist and also the deep condition. I'm going to make a paste, and I'm going to get a kind of yogurt look before I apply on my hair. So here is what the mixture looks like. So I'll be applying this straight into my hair. My hair gets really dry, so before I start, I'll spray in water. Can you hear that sound? Okay, so oh, my neighbors will just stop making that noise. Anyways, this video has to go on. Really? Is that a truck? Okay. It's making a twist.
He makes it feel like nobody else. Nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him. I got no rules, I count him. I gotta do it for myself. I got no rules, I count him. I gotta do it for myself. I keep pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. No, now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never loved he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Free, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him. I got no rules, I count him. I gotta do it for myself. I got no rules, I count him. I gotta do it for myself. Practice makes perfect, I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep and breathe it, rehearse and repeat it. Cause one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him. I got no rules, I count him. I gotta do it for myself. I got no rules, I count him. Baby, you know I count him.
So guys, this product is really nice, also moist, and the deep conditioning as well. You can get it in the store, you can get it online. Just search for it, it's easy to get. I'll be putting on a processing cap. And I'll be going under the steam for 30 minutes.
Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me.
In order to get this right, you can set your timer for you not to go beyond your time. So guys, I'm back and I'm done with the steaming. I'm going to do a wash out and I'll show you guys the outcome. Guys, I'm back. I washed my hair and let's see how the outcome looks like. Wow, not bad. It's so soft. I'm making use of my scalp massager. The feeling is so soothing. So that will be the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching.